Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One Auto Loan Easy Access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Capital One website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. From the drop-down menu, select Banking. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the first field. Input your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link provided. Follow the prompts to reset your password or retrieve your username. Once logged in, navigate to the Auto Loan section of your account. Here, you can view your loan details and manage your payments. If you're having trouble logging in, consider clearing your browser's cache. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. Now you are ready to manage your Capital One Auto Loan effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.